Welcome! In this lesson, A Trip to the Beach, we highlighted some key phrases in red. They are also in the video description. At the end of the video, there is audio of key phrases for pronunciation practice. It was a sunny Saturday morning. Sofia and her family were ready for a fun day at the beach. She packed towels, sunscreen, and snacks. Her little brother, George, was very excited. "Let's go! Let's go!" he shouted, jumping up and down. They got in the car and drove to the beach. The fresh, salty air filled the car as they got closer. When they arrived, the ocean stretched out in front of them, big and blue, with small waves rolling onto the shore. The golden sand felt warm under their feet. Seagulls flew overhead, calling out to each other. Sofia took off her shoes and ran toward the water. "Ah, it's so cold," she said, laughing. George started building a sandcastle with their dad. "Dad, I need more water," George said. Their dad took a small bucket, filled it with ocean water, and helped him shape the towers. "This is the strongest castle ever," George said proudly. Their dad laughed. "Let's hope the waves don't think so." Meanwhile, Sofia and her mom walked along the shore. "Look at these seashells, Mom. This one is pink," Sofia said, picking up a small, shiny shell. Her mom smiled. "It's beautiful. Let's take it home as a souvenir." After a while, their dad called out, "Time for lunch." They sat on a big beach towel and opened the picnic basket. There were sandwiches, fresh fruit, and cookies. "I made your favorite, peanut butter and jelly," their mom said, handing a sandwich to Sofia. "Yum! Thanks, Mom." George took a big bite of his sandwich, but the wind blew sand onto it. "Oh no! My sandwich has extra crunch," he said, making everyone laugh. After lunch, their dad suggested a swim. "Let's go into the water together," he said. They all ran toward the ocean, holding hands. Sofia and George jumped over the waves while their parents splashed them. "Dad, you got me all wet," George shouted, giggling. "That's the point," their dad said, laughing. As the sun started to go down, the sky turned orange, pink, and purple. "This is the prettiest sunset I've ever seen," Sofia said. Her mom put an arm around her. "It really is." Before leaving, they wrote their names in the sand. Then, they packed up and headed home. George was so tired that he fell asleep in the car. Sofia smiled and looked out the window. Today was a perfect day, she thought. Now, I'm going to say the sentence twice and you repeat after me. "Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!" Ah, It's so cold. Ah. It's so cold. Ah. It's so cold. Dad, I need more water. Dad, I need more water. Dad, I need more water. This is the strongest castle ever. This is the strongest castle ever. This is the strongest castle ever. Let's hope the waves don't think so. Let's hope the waves don't think so. Let's hope the waves don't think so. Look at these seashells, Mom. This one is pink. Look at these seashells, Mom. This one is pink. Look at these seashells, Mom. This one is pink. It's beautiful. Let's take it home as a souvenir. It's beautiful. Let's take it home as a souvenir. It's beautiful. Let's take it home as a souvenir. Time for lunch. Time for lunch. Time for lunch. I made your favorite, peanut butter and jelly. I made your favorite, peanut butter and jelly. I made your favorite, peanut butter and jelly. Yum. Thanks, Mom. Yum. Thanks, Mom. Yum. Thanks, Mom. Oh no! My sandwich has extra crunch. Oh no! My sandwich has extra crunch. Oh no! My sandwich has extra crunch. Let's go into the water together. Let's go into the water together. Let's go into the water together. Dad, you got me all wet. Dad, you got me all wet. Dad, you got me all wet. That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. This is the prettiest sunset I've ever seen. This is the prettiest sunset I've ever seen. This is the prettiest sunset I've ever seen. It really is. It really is. It really is. Today was a perfect day. Today was a perfect day. Today was a perfect day.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.